Guys, as I showed you, this is what happened when that piece broke off. It went all the way, so the trailer went all the way, hit it, and then also went through the back windshield. So that was a little bit risky though. So all this need to be replaced. So by now we fix it, so it's ready to go. Thank you, peeps. Tell the people what you think, man.
Did a good job.
You like it?
Yes, sir.
And did you try calling anybody? What's happening with that?
Y'all was the furthest, and I still called y'all.
So got them 1/4 inch angle over there, one on the back, and he's gonna haul it home. He'll make it home. And thank you so much for that. I appreciate it, man.
Yes, sir.
All right, we out of here. We came, we did it, and he's out. Haul it. Don't be scared, man. Go. Beat it up. Okay, my people. Yeah, we're on the side of the road, and we came to fix the truck right here, the trailer. And look, what we got. This right here broke off from this, and so that's the piece, and that's how it fits on. So it broke off, and then it has that on there. So just use your Quality Mobile. We drove all the way right here to Georgia to fix it. So we'll show you guys. Like I said, we're in the middle of the highway. So we'll get back to you guys when the job is done. So this is the trailer, the whole trailer. And we are on the roadside, like I said, we are on the highway. So that was what was carrying. It was on the trailer. And now
wheel bypass. I keep going past the farmer's wheel bypass. So if this was me doing it the right way, I'll take this whole thing off, pull it off, go to Farm and Fleet, Harbor Freight, not Harbor Freight, but yeah, Harbor Freight has it. Buy a new one, put it on, level it, weld it, damn. But they want to save, so I can cut this whole thing off because this thing don't even, it's locked, it's wedged up in there. And this has to have play for it to be able to play a little bit, but this don't even have play anymore. That's why I pulled off that right there.